Welcome back to our channel. Question 18 is about these lattice enthalpy. So first remember what is lattice enthalpy. They are ionic lattice. Okay. The lattice enthalpy is the energy to separate them completely. Okay, so it depends on the attraction. So you know that if it is has to have the smallest lattice enthalpy, so they need to have the least charge, right? One plus one minus is the best, right? Least charge, and the best is if the ion is biggest is better, right? So they are far away, right? So this is the two concept. Okay, so look at first look at the charges. Okay, so look it up from the periodic table. Okay, open the periodic table. Can you copy all their charges when they becomes the ions? Checking time, so it's plus, minus, 2 plus, 2 minus, 2 plus, minus, plus, 2 minus. So yeah, we can distinguish them, distinguish the lattice enthalpy. So which one has the least charge? Yes, you got it. A, plus and minus. So they have the smallest lattice enthalpy. Of course, you can think about the largest one is this one. Right? If the question asks about largest, then you choose this one. So the answer is A. I must say, the question is not simple, but you got it because well done. You did a good job. See you for next question. Bye.